everyone, Lynette here from Savvy Sites Administration, or the Belly from NellieBellie.com. Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom theme on MadMimi. A custom theme is really important for a lot of us who have design as an important part of our blogs. So if you want to make sure that you have custom colors, custom fonts, custom sizes, that kind of thing, you can do a lot of that on MadMimi, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So what we're going to do is you're going to log into MadMimi, and right away you're going to go to this page that I have up, and this is the dashboard. And it's really quite simple. All you need to do is go to the giant orange button that says Compose and click on it. And this will take you to composing a newsletter. Now, I've shown you how to do a newsletter before and all the different things that you can do with images and moving things up and down and titling your promotion and all of those things. So we're not going to worry about that today. What we're going to worry about is the theme itself, how to change the background, how to change the font, those sorts of things. So on the right-hand side, you have the option of images, themes, or products. We're going to go to the themes setting. And you'll see immediately that there are a number of themes already in existence. Now, you can take a theme that already exists and use the little pencil that comes up on the right-hand side of that and edit the theme. When you edit the theme, it will show you the way things currently look, and you can say, all right, section title. What do I want that to look like? Do I want that font to change? Do I like the color? Do I like the size? Do I like the alignment? You can change whatever you want and then make sure you update it. And you can do that with any of the different sections in your RSS, not your RSS feed, your newsletter. This isn't the RSS feed, that's completely different. This is newsletters that you create. So you can do that with all of your headings, your titles, your text, your link text, your footer text, and then that's in the font section. And if you click on the tab that says backgrounds and borders, you can change the border color, you can change the foreground color, the background color, and the footer color. And then make sure you say, okay, update. Now, I didn't make any changes to this one because instead of changing one of the ones that already exists, I wanted to create my own theme. So you click on create your theme and you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it custom theme because that's boring and useful. And I'm going to create a new. And all this does is it brings me a completely clean slate of options where there's nothing already in existence. So I have a text option. So what color do I want my text? What font do I want my text? What size do I want my text? And this is the text that is the one where people are going to be reading the most. So I'm going to say I want it to be something easy to read. Now you'll see in the text options that there's not that many. All right, if you're somebody who has a blog that has a lot of cursive-y, really interesting sorts of fonts, MadMimi is not going to be able to do that. This is a simple service. Something like MailChimp probably would be able to get more of those types of fonts, but MadMimi is set up to be simple, set up to be clean. So if you really want those text options, and that's really important to you, and you want those color options, and you want those different options, MadMimi isn't your service. You want to do something like MailChimp or something different. But if you're okay with having a few less options and keeping it simple, MadMimi is for you. So there's still a few options that might work, and I want something that's easy to read. So I'm just going to choose Verdana. And the color. Now, text that is going to be paragraphs of text, lots of text, I want this to be very easy to read. So I'm going to make it black. Now you'll see that I'm using a hex color. A hex color is the hashtag with 6 numbers and letters after it. If we created your theme for you, your design, your blog, that sort of thing, then we used a set of hex colors that are designed to complement each other really well, and any designer probably did the same. If you went to designseeds.com to get your colors, those hex colors are the hashtag with the 6 things after it. So if you know those or know how to find those, they're really useful to make sure that your promotion in email looks exactly the same as your website so that they correlate and people know it's you. If you don't have the hex colors and don't know how to find them, instead of using this hex color area, you can click on the color box and it will give you some different options. It's still a lot of options, it's just not going to be exactly the same as your your website. Now I updated and it took me away from my custom theme. I can't do any editing. All of those options are gone. And sometimes people panic and are like, oh no, I have to start all over. But actually, in Mad Mimi, it automatically saved it all, and so all I have to do is click on the pencil on the right again, and it will bring me back up to where I was. So I can change any of these things just like I did before, and then I have a custom theme, and I can reuse that theme over and over and over again with different newsletters. I just have to remember to choose it when I create my newsletter. So hopefully that's helpful to you and isn't too complicated, and good luck while you start reusing those themes.